So in this video, I want to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function. So I have a fuel quantity here from a drop-down list. So if I select 30 US gallons of fuel, I want the Excel to return the equivalent value in kgs. So I'm going to use the VLOOKUP function. So it's equals V lookup. What value do I want to look up? Well, I want to look up this value of 30, which is in address B4. And you're going to hit comma. What's the table array that I want to look up? Well, it's this table here. And I'm just going to press the F4 button to fix those. So I go comma. The column index number, well, this is column 1. This is column 2, this is column 3, and this is column 4. So we want the fuel quantity in kgs, which is in column 3. And then we are asked, do we want the exact match or an approximate match? So I'm going to go for true first, and we'll just see what happens there. Okay, so I've gone for 30 and it brings up 84. And if I go for 50, it brings up 140. But let me just copy this formula down. What if I put in 6? Well, 6 isn't in this lookup range. So it got the nearest value, which was 5, and I looked it up and it brought back 14. What if I go for 8? Still brings back to 14. 9, 14, 11. The nearest to 11 is 28. Okay, so by using the true value here, it gets close, the number that's closest to what you're looking up. If I change that to false, it gives me an error, okay, because there is no 11. So if I go 10, it'll look up 10. If I go 12, there is no 12 in this list, so it brings me back an error. Okay, so I'm going to change this value back. That's going to be false. I want exact matches. I'll delete that. And that's the VLOOKUP function.